Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing okay. So today guys, I'll be teaching you how to make Ghana braids, also known as Ghana weaving. So please, before we start, make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified when I upload new amazing styles or videos. And please don't forget to smash the like button. So guys, the first step, what you do is you cut the hair into parts. We have the big size and the small size, but in this video I'll be showing you how to make the tiny ones. When cutting it, you make sure you do it neatly. Then after you have finished cutting it into your desired size, you take in your extensions, also known as attachments. Yeah, I'll be using dark gold. So you take it, you comb it very well so that to avoid tangling. The first part, when you want to start Ghana weaving, you first of all use a small extension, not big one. Please take note, don't use small extension. You are going to use a very small tiny extension. Then you can start. Watch how I'm placing it. Put it in between the hair. Then you start. Then before you start, it's either you have someone that will be cutting the extension for you, or you can just cut them into smaller size, arrange them. Like this one, I already arranged them, so I'm just taking them from up there, from up of the shell that I arranged them. You start placing it one after the other. When you weave a little, then you add it step by step. So guys, this is the tutorial on how to make Ghana braids or Ghana weaving. So please guys, please make sure you stick around because I have so many great content coming, and you can also go and watch my previous videos. I have videos on natural hairstyles tutorial, rubber band hairstyles, and many more. And guys, please make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel known as Nefe Tips. There you will see videos on how to care for your skin, how to glow your skin, and many more skincare videos. I have so many videos there. Make sure you go there and support me there too. So guys, so please keep on watching. And remember, when you're placing the attachment or extension, you make sure you hold the cornrows very tight so that it will not loosen. You hold it very tight for the Ghana braid to look very beautiful and neat. Please always remember that. You will do it to the end of the hair. Make sure it's very tight. Guys, I'll be bringing so many tutorials on this channel. I'll be teaching you how to make ponytail hairstyles, how to sew a weave on, how to make wig caps. I have so many great tutorials coming, so please don't just watch and go. Turn on your bell notification so that you get notified, because I have so many great and amazing styles. I'll be teaching you or showing you how to care for your natural hair, how you can grow your natural hair, how to make it long, make it look healthy. I'll be showing you different videos on how to maintain your hair. So please don't go, stick around, support me. I promise I won't disappoint you guys. So guys, this is the finished result. Hope I tried. This is on a dummy, and I will show you guys how to make it on my own hair, or I will use someone else's hair. So hope I try. Thank you very much. Bye.